Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making these fun Milky Way resin coasters, so let's jump in and get started. We're going to be pouring these in two layers. So the first layer, I poured a little bit of clear resin into the bottom of my molds here. Not much at all, just enough clear to cover the bottom of the mold. And I'm using my TotalBoat tabletop epoxy. I hit it with my heat gun on low, and now I'm just picking up the molds and tilting them to make sure that every spot in that mold has clear resin. Now I'm going to go in with my Surf's Up White from Island Micas and More and just do some swirly designs on top of that clear resin. And I'm going to do the same thing with Mayron Gold. And I'll link all these materials down below in the description box if you guys want to get any of these to try. Here is the Mayron Gold. Same thing, just doing swirly designs. This technique is so easy to do and they really always turn out pretty. I mixed up my resin off camera, but if you want to see step by step how to mix your resin, I will link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. I show you step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments. Now I'm going to go in with my heat gun on low and just blend those two colors together. I'm just trying to blend that gold and the white together and make sure that there's no stringy lines. I let them dry for 24 hours and here's how they're looking. Now we're going to go in and pour the second layer, which is going to be all glitters. I'm going to be using these glitters here, this gorgeous holographic blue sky glitter from Laura's Art Corner and holographic gold from Dryer Days Art Studio. And I'm just filling in the molds. You want to make sure you pour quickly because the glitter does start to spread out. And if you want to have sections of the different colors of glitter, you want to pour quickly before one color starts spreading out all over the bottom of the mold. Or all over the first layer that we poured. So super easy, just going in with my colors here. This one here, I wish I wouldn't have gone in with the black in the middle, and you'll see why when we demold them. All the other ones, I put the black on the outer sides of the coasters. I wish on this one I wouldn't have done that, but I was just trying to see, if it would look nice depending on where I place the glitter. And I've made quite a few other sets of these on my channel, so if you haven't seen those videos, definitely go check them out. I will link them down below in the description box, and I'll also leave them at the end card screen of this video. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video and you can go check it out. It really helps out my channel if you check a few videos of mine out back to back. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to go in with my heat gun on low to pop bubbles. I'm going to cover them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to demold them. And when I say cover them up, I mean I'm just taking an upside down storage container and placing it over the coasters while the resin is drying. So that way no dust or debris lands in the wet resin. You could use a box, an upside down box as well, but I like to use like the Sterilite storage bins. Those are easiest for me. So here we are ready to demold them. They turned out really fun. I just love doing this technique. This one here kind of reminds me of a rose. I made a flower unintentionally on this one. That Mayron Gold is just so bright and pretty, and I got some really nice wispiness on this set too. Like I said, I used the TotalBoat tabletop epoxy on this set, and this one here is the one that I did the black in the center. I'm not crazy about this one. I feel like I would have liked it a lot more if I would have done the gold in the center instead of the black, but lesson learned. I'll know for next time. And when I make these, I usually use 3 colors of glitter. This one I tried doing 4, and I think I prefer the look with just 3 colors of glitter. I don't know if 4 makes it a little bit busy. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I really love how this one turned out too. It's got some really nice details in there from the white and the gold. And the holographic gold glitter from Dryer Days Art Studio is one of my favorites. It's super sparkly. And I have a discount code for Dryer Days Art Studio and Laura's Art Corner, so I'll be sure to leave those down below in the description box as well if you guys need to get any glitter or pigments or silicone molds. And these molds, these silicone molds, I've had for quite a while, so they did lose their shine. So I do have to do a top coat on this set, but I'm going to do that. And then I think I'm going to list this set in my Etsy shop. So definitely check out my Etsy shop. I just opened it back up. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Go check it out and leave me a favorite. That'll help out my shop a lot too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos that will really help out my channel a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorites at the end card screen of this video. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to that video and you can go check it out. And as always, I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to try any of these products, it'll give you a little bit of savings. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.